who are making a difference right here in India and globally. Consider Gaurishi Sharma, a UNICEF India youth advocate who, despite facing speech and hearing disability, became a badminton champion and a powerful voice for inclusion. Karthik Verma, who founded Knowledge for Nature and has demonstrated that leadership isn't confined to age or position. It's about courage, conviction, and commitment to a positive change. So this is a moment to embrace these challenges and to innovate, to collaborate, and to leave your mark not just in our school, but on a wider world. Congratulations, this is your moment to step into greatness. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. Director sir, Director ma'am, Principal ma'am, all relevant staff of the school, proud parents. Great honor for me to be here with you today, and I have enjoyed every bit of it. The way you have gone about it, and the posters, the flags, the fire which was shining. I'm totally impressed with your school. These are the days which you will remember when you grow up my age and you look for your old friends who used to fight together, play together, and even tease each other. So don't forget your childhood in your school. Be competitive, but make good friends. Yesterday when I was doing yoga in the morning, my nephew rang up from Bangalore. And he said, Chacha, I just wanted to catch up with you. I'm driving to the office. So I told him, oh, you have joined Airbus now, you are the boss. So have you settled down? So he said, Chacha, it's already 7 months. I settled down in 1 month. I said, so what are you doing now? He says, we have 2 units. One in Vadodara in Gujarat, where we are going to make the biggest air transport aircrafts, C-295. And in Bangalore, we are going to make the Indian helicopters, and both with the help of Airbus. And he says, these are fantastic facilities, and by next year end, we will start producing. So I said, if you are a Pehlan, you will break his finger, won't you? But if you fold this finger and make it a fist, if 5, 6 of you become friends and say something, no one will dare to oppose you. That is the strength of team spirit. And that is where it has to be applied everywhere. Whether it's studies, whether it is sports, whether it is friendship, whether it is doing well in life, whether it is doing social work. If you combine and do a thing, it will just take off. Whereas if you try alone, maybe you will give up after some time, thinking, yaar, kuch ho nahi raha hai. मैं बेकार में जंग लड़ रहा हूँ. So जंग को मजबूत करने के लिए हमें सब साथ आना पड़ेगा. कहने को बहुत कुछ है, but आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम किया है. I don't want to delay your parents and you all and your teachers. So with these few words, I would like to end. You have done very well, you have very smartly turned out. Your teachers, your parents, everyone. School is good. Do well. Our blessings are there with you. All the best. Jai Hind. Okay? But no competition is good. What you have to work for is excellence. If you aim for excellence in your life, then you have no enemies. Because you are working for excellence. Anyone who comes to you with a problem, you will help him out. You will guide him, and in return you will also learn something. So it is a win-win situation. And everyone becomes friendly, they are a team, and they all do well. When I was doing my MTech in Environmental Sciences from Pune University, I was already a colonel, maybe 42, 43 years of age. And with me there were 18 girls just passed out from BSc. and 12 boys. And I used to attend classes with them. They were very rigorous classes. So at times when I used to be late or going for golf, not attending classes, I used to ask them, give me your notes. No one used to give me notes. I was shocked. So no one would share anything. So one day I told them, I'll give you a talk. And I had a talk. And I told them, what is team spirit? You know, by next year end, we will start producing. So I said, great. He says, Chacha, it is a great opportunity for our youth of today. And so many more opportunities are coming up in the country, like iPhones and other things. Sky is the limit. So I told them, beta, जो मेरे पिताजी ने देखा, जो मैंने देखा, जो तुमने देखा और जो तुम्हारे बच्चे देख रहे हैं, there is a real transformation. India is rising. We have seen poverty, we have seen value of food, and now we have seen affluence. And you are all the blessed children. Your parents, your grandparents have put in everything they have to make you worth your living. So don't let them down. I also want to share with you that in life, you don't have to be selfish. I'll quote you an example of competition versus excellence. There is a small story. In USA, to come back, they used to have a chase hunt. Something used to be hidden and you had to find it, and whichever student or boy used to or girl used to find it, she used to be awarded. So every day they would come and then this game would be organized. So everyone will run and try to grab hold of that prize position and claim the honor. But over the days, there were only 2-3 guys who were getting this award. So someone like me went to them. He told them, how you guys only went? We are not really winning. We are always coming last. So he says, you are running after the thing so that the other person does. We walk behind, we don't even run, but we watch for any, foliage problem, some telltale marks, and we just walk up and pick up the thing and do it. So the worst problem when we are young, or maybe in our upbringing, is we are in competition always. We don't want the other person to do it. And in that hoard, उस होड़ में हम भूल जाते हैं हमें क्या करना है. हम सोचते हैं उसको नहीं मिलना चाहिए. So if she is running for the prize, we'll go and get ahead of her, not meaning there is nothing there. So this is competition. And competition is bad. Firstly, कहने को बहुत कुछ है, but आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम किया है. I don't want to delay your parents and you all and your teachers. So with these few words, I would like to end. You have done very well. You are very smartly turned out. Your teachers, your parents, your everyone. School is good. Do well. Our blessings are there with you. All the best. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. That was truly inspiring. Now, may I request our worthy principal, Ms. Ruchika Sharma, to please felicitate our chief guests, Major General Bhatt and Mrs. Beena Bhatt. Having you with us and being a part of the Smart Ones family. Thank you.
Stage performance. जीवन में नामुमकिन जैसा कुछ नहीं है. Believe in yourself. Take the lead. Your strength and vision, others will lead. With confidence in heart, you'll pave the way and inspire others every single day. जब भी कठिन समय आता है, तो हमें यह समझ लेना चाहिए जाएंगे। यही कठिन समय हमारी असली परीक्षा है।
इसका मतलब जीवन सरल नहीं है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, जीवन अग्निपथ है। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। Trust your instincts, stand tall and strong. Your leadership will shine all day long. Believe in yourself and you'll find the power that leads and a heart that's aligned.
वृक्ष हो भले खड़े, हो घने हो घने, एक पत्र छां भी, मांग मत मांग मत मांग मत। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। तू न थकेगा कभी, तू न थमेगा कभी,
तू न मुड़ेगा कभी।
कर शपथ कर शपथ कर शपथ। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। ये महान दृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है, अश्वश्वेत रक्त से लथपथ लथपथ लथपथ। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ।
हमें अपना प्रोजेक्ट समय पर पूरा करना होगा। तुम्हारी जिम्मेवारी है ग्राफिक्स तैयार करना और मेरी रिपोर्ट तैयार करना। और नंबर और अमन तो है ही प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए।
हाँ हाँ, हम तो है ही।
प्रोजेक्ट फाइल सबमिशन आई कैन हैंडल दिस।
अरे भाई ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हो? इससे तो जिम्मेदारी से भागना कहते हैं।
हाँ, मैं भागता हूँ जिम्मेदारी से। हाँ, मैं डरता हूँ जिम्मेदारी से। पर करूँ क्या?
अरे ऐसे ढूंढना होता है। जिम्मेदारियों को समझो और कर्तव्यों को निभाओ।
भाई तुम इतना परेशान मत हो, तुम आगे बढ़ो और अपने साथियों का साथ दिखाओ।
श्योर माय फ्रेंड, आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट। बिल्कुल, हमें साथ मिलकर काम करना होगा। आत्मविश्वास और साहस के साथ हम किसी भी चुनौती का सामना कर सकते हैं।
मान गए ना फिर?
हाँ, मैं मान गया तुम्हारी बात। अब
Become a leader, my friend. Become a leader.
Don't be afraid.
Be confident and fearless.
You have all the qualities to be a true leader.
A leader stands, a guiding light, with vision clear and heart alight. With inspiration and motivation, they bring out the best in those within.
निराशा, अविश्वास मनुष्य को कमजोर बना देते हैं। हिम्मत रखो, आगे बढ़ो और अपने इरादों को मजबूत बनाओ।
With empathy and guidance, they pave their way for their teams to follow day by day. They empower and uplift with every stride and help their people reach their fullest pride.
A true leader listens, learns and grows and leads by examples as they show. Their strength lies not in power or might, but in the hearts they touch and the love they ignite. Wow, what a wonderful performance. We request to move vehicle number PV10CD7412. I request. I repeat, PV10CD7412. Before we conclude today's program, it is only fitting that we hear from someone whose vision, dedication and tireless efforts have shaped the heart behind a school's growth. Now I invite esteemed director, Ms. Avinash Kaur, to take over the mic.
Good morning all of you. Good morning especially आपको. मैंने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स देखे हैं. और भी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आए हैं? Any ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स? आज मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपके बच्चों को मैं शुरू से देख रही हूँ, दोनों को. और when I go in the class, तो जब मैं देखती हूँ दोनों बच्चे इतना अच्छा राइज कर रहे हैं. And it's all your parents, आपकी पूरी सपोर्ट है. अदरवाइज they can't. दादी दादू की, पेरेंट्स की इतनी सपोर्ट है. That is why they are rising. And today's ceremony was truly amazing. And it's a proud moment for all of us, isn't it, parents? Let's have a big round of applause for our children, our new leaders. And all the participants who have contributed in this event. The dancers, the skit players, all of them. Teachers, for you also, a big round of applause. It's your day. You know, I feel very proud because I feel that they all are my children. They are very close to my heart. मुझे कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं एक बच्चे के लिए मैं प्रेज कर रही हूँ. Whenever I go to the classes, so मेरा सबसे important point होता है कि जो बच्चे एवरेज हैं, why they are not doing. I think हम लोग कुछ हमारे में भी प्रॉब्लम है. That is why. But you must have seen that what I do only for the children. It's because मेरे को होता है कि whosoever children are coming, if you have faith in us, we should do the best for all the children. And what should I say, children? You performed so well, and keep it up. I'm sure you will perform your duties with dedication and truthfulness. And always remember 3 principles in your life. One is respect your parents regardless of your age. And second, always believe in yourself. And third, never forget your teachers, your mentor. Thank you teachers for your hard work and patience. Thank you all of you for coming. Your support, your love. Without your parents, without your love and without your support, we can't do anything. You are the biggest support for us. Keep blessing us. Thank you Shreshna ma'am, Principal ma'am. And especially, it's an honor, Mr. Major General and Mrs. Bino to have with us. And thank you for your inspiring words. Thank you so much. Love you all, children. Love you all.
Thank you, Rishika. So, to the council students, congratulations on your new roles. We are really proud of you. And I just want to say that as a leader, just remember, keep inspiring, motivating, and work along with your peers with integrity and with dedication. So you're embarking on a new journey of leadership and responsibility, and we are so confident that I'm sure you will be putting a positive impression on and have a positive impact on the entire school community. Proud of you once again. Just lead the way you want and take your followers along with you. Don't leave them behind. Lead by example. Listen to others, and I'm sure you will reach great heights. Jai Hind. With this, with this note, the investiture ceremony comes to an end, and I take this privilege to thank Major General Vinod Kumar Bhatt and Mrs. Bhatt for gracing this occasion. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Thank you, Director ma'am, for always supporting us in whatever we do. The pillar is always there with us, Principal Mrs. Ruchika Sharma. Thank you so much, ma'am. And as Avinash ma'am just mentioned, my most dear parents, without you, this event wouldn't have been a success. Thank you so much, parents, the entire music team, and the performance in the dance team. Thank you, students. And last but not the least, the entire organizing team. A big round of applause for the gentlemen. And I would really want the organizing team to come forward on the stage, quick round before we go for this puzzle. So all the HODs, HOD sports, HOD activity, they've done a great job. Dance teacher, music teacher, Anamika ma'am, art department, I'll tell everybody's name, I'll not forget. And the senior coordinator, admin department, IT department, and last but not the least, my comparers. Big round of applause. All teams that and compare, all attorneys, quickly come up on the stage. Quickly, we want the entire organizing team is there, and I'm with them. Thank you so much, teachers. Thank you for all your help. And it's not only that, the others' name has not been called. They've been supporting us, and that is why we could do the work so seamlessly. Thank you. For being a part of the Smart Wonders family. Thank you so much.